Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of Tech Tuesday at So Special Quilts. We have stores in San Antonio and Katy, Texas. Today is more of a story than a technical video. And what I want to tell you about is one day I was cleaning a machine. We stripped all the covers off of it, and I shot compressed air in it. And man, a bunch of glitter came out and kind of hit me in the face and all over. It was from the costumes that the customer was sewing on it. Not thinking about it, went home that evening. I was making dinner. My wife walks up to me and asks me, "Where'd you have lunch at?" And I said, "Well, at the shop." And she says, "Are you sure?" And I said, "Well, sure." She says, "You needed a buffet?" I said, "No." She says, "Because you have glitter all over you. Is there something you want to tell me?" I said, "No, I was cleaning the machine and it had glitter in it." She said, "Sure." Anyway, I got myself in trouble. But I want to tell you that it's important to vacuum these things out, especially after you're running glitter. Some of that stuff is metallic. It'll get in there and tear up the insides of this thing. So vacuum them out after you're done sewing that glitter stuff.